Hello and welcome. It's Jilly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Rightio, I'm going to do split composition for this one. I am going to use this turquoise for well, you'll see this area and this area. So I just fancied something that's got turquoise in it today, and so I just go through the boring bits of spreading out my paint, just nice and take it just nice and easy. If you're doing this for the first time, there's no rush, there's no race, just take your time because it's all part of enjoying the process of your acrylic art pursuit. So what colour should I go on the other section? I am thinking leave that out for now. So maybe this cool blue, and then try and add the real pops of colour. There you go, my gecko agrees. Did you hear him? He said yes, that's perfect. So I'm going to go with this. I'm not too worried about my very edges at this point because I can always fix those up at the end, or if the paint doesn't blow over them. So I think these colours look lovely together, and I suppose it's a very ocean type colours, like with the turquoise and the blue, the aqua colours, very definitely ocean inspired or beachy inspired, I guess. So let me just add those for the time being, and then I'm going to put some white in here. And white in there, and then as I said, I've got to put some pops of colour, so I'm going to go the red. I might just do it like that, and I know the colour that really looks lovely with the red is this wicker yellow. I guess that probably don't need too much in there now. Maybe I'd like to add a little bit more of the yellow popsicles. Oh dear, every single time my dog makes me jump out of my skin, and pretty sure that he makes you jump out of your skin too when he suddenly pipes up and barks. So sorry about that, but it's my life. And this is what I have to well, I don't put up with it, I live with it. This is what I choose to live with. So rightio, I'm going to just add a bit more of the colours, so I've got plenty to kind of blow around. I don't think I need to add any more of the blue. So the first thing I'll do is just whip over it quickly with my heat wand. If you've been watching previously, you will have heard that I've got a lovely litter of puppies. So I'll try and post a minute or so of the puppies' progress as they go along for those that are interested, and if you're not, just move on. And also we're having a new baby granddaughter the first week in June. So we've got lots to look forward to. Very excited about it all. Rightio, on with the blow. Let's see how this goes. I might need it higher is what I was going to say. Wow, that's gorgeous. Where there's cells coming from. This is definitely a chaos blow. Wow, that's gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I really love that. There are a lot of cells popping up, which it's sometimes when you're doing a chaos blow, it's nice not to have the cells. It's nice to have all the lovely movement of what the hairdryer can create in your paint. But that is particularly gorgeous. So I'm just going to go over with my heat wand. And I will bring you down to have a look at this. These lovely little jelly tops, gems. Got some gorgeous cells in it, but it's actually in a particular painting that I didn't want the cells, but they've turned up. So that's the beauty of this kind of acrylic art, is that you get some surprises. And some are really pleasant. Those are gorgeous little cells in there. Nice. There's chunky bits. Look at those. A few worms turned up. I'll lift it up and show you the whole thing. So I'm pretty happy with that. Love, love, love that turquoise red and that wicker yellow together. They look absolutely gorgeous. Some weirdo things happening there. There's a grumpy face in there. Definitely very pretty. Oh, I love it. I hope you too. I hope you do too. Please join me tomorrow, you lovely people. Please take care. If you're feeling sad, lonely, or a bit out of sorts, ring a friend or a family member or a local helpline. There is always somebody they're willing to talk it out or hug it out with you. So until tomorrow, bye for now. Just gonna try something.